All right, everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you what we've been up to get our RV ready for full time. Let's get started. This window here, I think we're going to just leave the blind down and put some command hooks up and hang the curtain rod that away. And eventually, I like to find a different couch. This is it folds out into a bed. Get it replaced and get rid of the carpet in here and put down that vinyl linoleum that looks like wood floor covering. This is a simple chair we found at a thrift store. We use a footstool for the foot part of it. Now, to go into the kitchen area, as you can see, we got a lot of construction stuff going on here. For here, we're going to take that blind down and put up command hooks there and hang a curtain that away. And over here in the dining room part, we took out the table all together. And we're going to put an office desk there. And where this TV was, it was an old style TV. We took it out and we're going to put a smart TV in here. So when we're on the road, we can have a little office area and have a nice TV. And then into the bathroom, this blind will come down also. And command hooks will go up and hang a curtain that away. Let's go into the bedroom. Everything's a mess in here. Again, over here, those blinds will stay, and that blind will stay. And right there, that one will be taken out. And just a regular command hooks with the curtain going up there. And up here is an old style TV. It's a little bit outdated. So we're going to take that out and put a smart TV there. And this bed here is one of those, since this is on the slide out, you have to push a button up here to put the bed down or up. And that's how you control that. You can actually, when the slide's out, you can actually put bring the headboard up and sit up and watch TV. Or you can just have it laying down. But when that slide out's in, this has to be up. It's a motorized bed. It's a pretty neat setup. And of course, over here in this slide out is some closets. I'll have to do a video with everything out, the slide outs and everything. But we're working on it. We're getting things done. We're also thinking about putting some vinyl wall covering up that looks like shiplap. I got the idea from Happy Place Diaries video on when they done that, and I'll leave a link in the description of that video so you can check out that wallpaper. But we'll get it done while we're having to stay at home. We're just doing our repairs and upgrades to make this place feel more like home. We may eventually get a recliner instead of that chair. But I think taking those balances down has really opened up and made this RV look so much bigger than what it is. So it's a work in progress. But I have a question. If anybody knows, these blinds, when we got this RV, had a stain on them, as you can see. And I don't know how to get that stain off. I've tried Dawn. I've tried window cleaner, just spraying it on the spots there, and it won't come off. And if anybody has any idea on how to get rid of those, let me know. Because these are those day and night, as you can see. They're hard to clean. It's not my top #1 idea on a blind. But this, I mean, we already have a nice big flat screen in here. I've once thought about painting these cabinets. It just seemed like a lot of cabinets to paint. But if anybody does have an idea of how to get those stains out, I really would like to know. But I think things would look so much better and bigger in here if we got rid of that carpet. Carpet in an RV just does not belong here. Too much high traffic in it. And we just had to put rugs down and rugs down to prevent the carpet looking any worse. I mean, we have a linoleum here, but still carpet does not belong in an RV. So I'll update everyone on the progress of the remodeling. And also, if anybody has any idea how to get these Velcro things off the wall, I appreciate it. I had the idea of hanging up some pictures and some old license plates here at one time, and we Velcroed them up here on the wall. Well, now these won't come off. If you do, as you can see what happens. So I need to know how to get those off without damaging the wall anymore. Actually, on this section right here, we might end up putting that vinyl wall covering. We don't know yet. Alrighty. The first thing we did is we took down the valances that went around the window. They just wasn't that pretty. Wasn't nothing wrong with them really. They weren't dirty, tore, or anything. They were just a little too fancy. Because we wanted the cabin style. As you can see, we took them all off. And Jim hung curtain rods up for me. And these are the curtains I had in the house, because our house is cabin style. And it is a cabin. So I took them down because I wanted to save them. And I put them out here. And I'm going to take command hooks and put it on the other side right over here. And make a tie back. And we brought my favorite recliner out. Just took those little throw blankets over it. And I used the little throw blankets to cover the couch. And then took my pillow shams and everything. Hanging my signs. Doing that. Putting up my bear towels. And then we took out the dining room table, and this is where my office will be. Again, some command hooks, tying back to let in some light. Taking out that TV, and we took out that one, and we still got curtains in here to hang. It is slowly coming along. It's just been so hot. We haven't been able to work too late of a day on it. But we're going to get more curtains hung. I got a bear curtain that's going up there. But it's coming along. I'll leave some of the video and I'll put some of the show you some of the video I took of before we even got started. I even brought my grandfather's table that my grandpa made for me. Brought down here. We took this little table thing that came out here and you propped out so you can work on your laptop, your whatever. Didn't like it, so it came out. Gotta do a curtain repair up here. And we gotta get our command hooks so we can hang these on the wall. And up here is my bear that Nomadic Hippie gave me. I love my bear. See? Oops. I'm gonna fall down. I'll show you over here. Don't mind the mess. This is the curtain that's going to go up there. See? When it's all done, I'll give a walkthrough and explain everything and what we did. So, like I said, we're bringing one of our Roku TVs out of the house. It goes here. And the other one's going there, but we're going to put a new bracket thing. And that TV that was originally there, that flat screen, it was so heavy compared to the new TVs, the new Roku TVs and flat screens. So we know we saved some weight on the RV when we removed that. So, this is going to be our home sweet home.